So I am Miss Carr, and I am the Family and Consumer Science teacher here at the high school. Yes, I teach Intro to Culinary and Advanced Culinary. Those are in the same pathway. And then I also teach Human and Child Development as well as Teaching Academy, and those are kind of its own pathway. Yeah, so in the culinary classes, we do a lot of cooking and baking and overall just culinary techniques and learning industry standard practices as far as culinary industry goes. And then we also do the nutrition side, and students actually get their food handler's card along with that class. Human and Child Development and Teaching Academy are, like I said, in the same pathway. Teaching Academy, I actually teach students to be teachers. So first semester is all about classroom management and lesson planning and just the overall building relationships with students. And then second semester, they actually go into classrooms at the middle school and the elementary school here in Medical Lake and kind of carry out a student teaching practicum, is what I call it. And then in Human and Child Development, they earn a Child Care Basics certification, which you need to get a job in childcare outside of high school. And then we kind of just look at all of the phases or stages of a human life from conception to the end of a life cycle. So in the culinary pathway, kids can go into fast food, they can be a waitress or a waiter, they can work at a coffee shop, anything to do with food handling, being a line cook, and just kind of that customer service aspect. They can do anything in that field. And then in Human and Child Development, they can do the anything in childcare, preschool, daycare, any childcare facility, and then one step further with that Teaching Academy, they can actually be a teacher or a school counselor. So Skills USA is kind of a broad club. You can kind of take it in any direction you want to. For me, I call it a culinary club, and we learn specific culinary and baking skills and then use those skills to raise money for our program through fundraisers.